I'm Brooke Vatamaniuk and I'm in grade 12 and I go to LCI, Lethbridge Collegiate Institute, and I won regionals for welding at Lethbridge Polytechnic. We got there pretty early, around 7, and we started at 8:20, 8:30, and we went until 12 and had a little break, and then we continued on for 2 hours after lunch, so it was about 5 hours of welding. We were doing gamma welds and stick welds, 60-10 and 70-18. We had to do groove welds, uphill welds, downhill welds, and horizontal welds in each type of welding. Yeah, it was pretty stressful, especially leading up to the days and practice, because you would be practicing and feel like you could do so much better, and so you didn't really know how the competition was gonna go, so it got pretty stressful up to the day, but the day was pretty good, I think, for me. It was pretty crazy because in my head I was pretty convinced that I wasn't gonna win or anything close to it, so that was pretty shocking to me. I started welding here in grade 10 because it wasn't offered at the time when I was in grade 9. Well, I hadn't welded once before I started that class. I had no idea what welding was. I just thought it would be a cool experience. So really, Mr. Pusher has taught me everything I know. Yeah, it's amazing here. I'm so glad I have the opportunity to have the resources at this school, and the help I've gotten from Mr. Pusher. He helps me so much, and I wouldn't be where I am today if I didn't have him as an instructor. And I've gotten such a head start, I feel, in the welding area due to this whole course. Yeah, it's really helped me to figure out what I want to do with welding and what kind of welding I want to do, and it's helped me so much. If I didn't have this course, I wouldn't be in welding. Everyone involved are so helpful, and that it was an amazing experience, and that I really recommend it to others that want to.
My name is Zachary Michaelis, and I'm at LCI here, and it is my 3rd year taking this program here at LCI, and I've been lucky enough to be one of the first students to go through all 3 years, and also to be in the regional skills competition all 3 years as well, where I have gotten 8th in the first year, gold last year, and then silver this year. And this year, in a couple weeks, I'm looking at going to my 2nd provincial skills competition. And overall, the program's been really great for me. It's a really good opportunity to really get your hands on welding. I never touched a welder before taking the program, and since trying it, I found that I love it, and it's been a really great experience. I've learned a lot, and yeah, it's just been great overall. You can learn a lot, more than just how to weld. There's a lot more to it. I've learned good teamwork and communication, and I want to be an engineer in my career, so learning how to be a welder is kind of a good experience I can take, because I know what goes on past making the drawings and stuff, right? So it's been good there, and yeah, you learn a lot, not just welding, but also metal fabrication, so HVAC and all that kind of stuff that goes on there.